Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Are you keeping up with your child's development? Let's find out. Think you know all the key milestones in your child's early years? It's time to put your knowledge to the test. From first steps to first words, we're covering the essential physical, cognitive, and emotional milestones that every parent and caregiver should know. You'll have 25 questions to challenge your understanding with just 10 seconds to answer each one. Can you guess the right milestone for your toddler or preschooler? Grab a pen and paper and let's see if you're on track or if you'll learn something new today. Let's dive in and test your milestone mastery. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! Your toddler brings you their shoes when you say, "Let's go outside." What milestone does this show? Early language understanding, imitation play, or advanced problem solving? Early language understanding. A baby laughs uncontrollably when you play peekaboo. This means they are starting to understand. Cause and effect. Object permanence. Or stranger danger. Object permanence. Which of these is a surprising early sign of emotional intelligence in toddlers? Bringing a stuffed animal to comfort a sad friend, laughing at funny noises, or asking for a favorite snack? Bringing a stuffed animal to comfort a sad friend. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Children do not need routines. They should learn to adapt to any situation. Yes, you are right. It's false. Consistent routines provide children with a sense of security, helping them develop self-discipline and emotional stability. Your 18-month-old hands you a book and sits in your lap. This means they are developing social bonds, learning to read, or testing their independence. Developing social bonds. Which milestone suggests a toddler is starting to plan ahead? Hiding their favorite toy before nap time, running to a parent when scared, or throwing a spoon off the table? Hiding their favorite toy before nap time. At what age do most toddlers start recognizing themselves in the mirror and making silly faces? 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months? Months. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. A child lines up all their toy cars in a perfect row before playing with them. What skill is developing? Logical thinking, emotional bonding, or physical strength? Logical thinking. What is an early sign that a toddler understands fairness? Protesting when their sibling gets a bigger cookie, throwing a tantrum for no reason, or running in circles when excited. Protesting when their sibling gets a bigger cookie. Your child insists on choosing their own clothes even if they mismatch. This is a sign of developing independence, strong fashion sense, or copying their friends. Developing independence. Babies are born with about 100 billion neurons in their brains, almost as many as an adult. But the real magic happens in early childhood, when their brains form over 1 million new neural connections per second through play, interaction, and learning. So every silly song, peekaboo game, and bedtime story is actually building a smarter, stronger brain. A baby keeps dropping their spoon and watching you pick it up. What are they learning? Cause and effect. Sharing. Or their favorite color. Cause and effect. A toddler sees you sweeping the floor and grabs a toy broom to copy you. This is a sign of imaginative play, social imitation, or problem solving. Social imitation. At what age do babies typically start reaching for objects just out of their grasp? 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months? Six months. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! Which of these is an early sign of creative thinking in a child? Using a banana as a pretend phone, memorizing their bedtime story, or playing the same game repeatedly. Using a banana as a pretend phone. A child insists that the moon is following them when driving at night. What cognitive skill is developing? Spatial awareness, math skills, or coordination? spatial awareness. When a child corrects you for calling their teddy bear the wrong name, they are showing early memory skills, a strong personality, or their favorite toy preference. Early memory skills. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! What is a surprising early sign of musical intelligence in toddlers? Swaying or bouncing to a beat, clapping hands randomly, or throwing objects rhythmically. Swaying or bouncing to a beat. Which of these is an early sign of teamwork and cooperation in young children? Handing blocks to another child to build a tower, snatching toys from others, or playing alone quietly. Handing blocks to another child to build a tower. At what age do most toddlers start scribbling with crayons, not just chewing them? 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months? "18 months. Would you rather have a toddler who refuses to sleep at bedtime but sleeps in late? Or a toddler who goes to bed on time but wakes up at 4 a.m. every day? Comment down below. Which action suggests that a child understands future events? Asking, "When is my birthday?" Wanting food immediately. Or ignoring bedtime. Asking, "When is my birthday?" Which of these is a fine motor skill? Buttoning a shirt? Jumping on one foot? Or running fast? Buttoning a shirt? A toddler places their stuffed animals in a pretend bed and tells them night-night. What are they practicing? Symbolic play, language skills, or motor coordination. Symbolic play. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. which is an early sign of understanding time concepts, recognizing bedtime routines, asking for more snacks, or watching a clock. Recognizing bedtime routines. A 3-year-old describes what happened at the park earlier that day. What milestone does this show? Memory recall, problem solving, or artistic ability. Memory recall. Which behavior suggests a toddler is starting to negotiate? Saying one more before bedtime, running away when called, or crying until they get their way. Saying one more before bedtime. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Reading to children daily helps improve their language and cognitive skills. Yes, you are right, it's true. Reading boosts vocabulary, listening skills, and imagination, laying the foundation for strong literacy development. A child places all their blue toys in one pile and all their red toys in another. What are they learning? Categorization, sharing, or counting. Categorization. You made it to the end. Great job testing your knowledge of early childhood milestones. Whether you got them all right or learned something new, understanding your child's development is key to supporting their growth. Thanks for joining us on this parenting journey. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on child development, parenting tips, and expert advice.